Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at left join, and the last time we went through inner join, and today we're going to be looking at left join and basically what it is and look at a few examples. So here we go. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at left join. So in left join, there's basically left join returns all records from the left table, as in table 1, and the matching records from table 2. So everything from table 1 will be displayed, and if there's no matching record from table 2, it'll basically be null. So now we have 3 examples that we're going to be looking at, and we're using University DB. So the first one is that we're going to retrieve all the students and their major names, like what majors they go, including the students who have no majors. So if I run this, then you can see that we have all the students, and if I go to the bottom, you can see that all the students are here, and including the ones who have no major. So the ones that have no major, so as you can see, we have all of them here. They're all null. So then you can see that, for example, student 1 has a major biology, student 4 has chemistry, and then if we go down here, student 3 has no major, so it's turning up here as null. So everything from this table came, but only the matching values from the right table came. And if there was no matching values, basically null. So here we just select name and major name from students, and then left join major. And since students and major have like one common like column, major ID, that's why we were able to join it based on that. So there has to be a common column. And over here, this like name and major name, like it doesn't matter which order you write it in. Like it only affects how it displays. So here I've written name first and then major name. That's why in the results I got displayed, it was name first and then the major name. If I decided to write name over here and put major name over here, then as you can see, it's switched around. So this does not define what the left and right column is. So as you know, the name in this one is the first column, like table 1. So the students table is table 1, no matter how like it gets displayed. But so this bit doesn't really matter. You can write it however you want. I just prefer to have name first and then like the major name. So next we have this one. So this is like to list all the courses with students enrolled in them, including courses with like no students. So here, because as we know, like last time we also went through courses and students, neither of them, they don't have like the same column, like they don't have a common column. So that's why we need to use enrollments, because courses and enrollments have a column that's like same, which is basically course ID. And then students and enrollments have a common column, which is student ID. So then we're joining it based on that. But we're not taking anything from enrollments like individually. So if I run this, then over here we have name and course name. And so in this case, it says we have including courses with no students. So if we go down here, as you can see, we have a course, but it has no students. So I just made this for the example. And so here we have so that basically means course name, like despite name being displayed on the left side and course name on the right side. So the student table being displayed on the left side and like the courses table being displayed on the right side. That does not mean that that students is the left table. In this case, it's the course name. It's like courses, which is the left table, or like table 1, and students is the table 2. And that's how you tell. So because it's like we're getting all the values from courses and the matching values from name. So that's how you decide if it's like which one is table 1 and which is table 2. And then lastly, we have display all majors and the students in them, even if the major has no students. So this is like kind of the opposite of first one. So here we have name and then major name. And if we go down, here you can see that we have mechanical engineering, but there's no students here. It's like null. So I'm displaying all the majors, which makes major the left table or the table 1, and then all like the students in them. So for example, we have like student 1 who takes biology. So biology has student 1, then chemistry has student 4, So if we go down here, there's mechanical engineering, which has 0 students. So major name, despite it being, again, displayed on the right side, it's the left table, and name is the right table. And if it makes it easier for you individually, then you can just display them in that order. But it doesn't really matter how it's displayed, because in the end, the one which has all the values coming and is the left table or table 1, and the one which has like all the, and the one which is like trying to match is the one which is the right table, or like table 2.